Okay, class. Since you clearly understand the lesson and master the lesson about the sound, and what did you observe about the video, which forms of matter the sound in the medium travels the fastest? Hannah?
Solid.
Hannah. Is Hannah correct?
Yes.
Correct. Solid. Why solid?
Because the particles is tightly packed each other.
Very good. As Hannah said, the solid is the fastest because the particles are tightly packed each other. What about the forms of matter of gas? Aiza?
Gas is the slowest kasi po yung particles po are away from each other.
Very good. Very good, Aiza. As Aiza said, the gas is the slowest because the particle is partially away from each other. So, do you know that what will happen if the sound doesn't exist in our world? O kuwari, Tagalog ko, ano mangyayari kapag yung buhay natin ay walang sound sa buhay natin? Sa mundo? May idea?
Hindi maintindihan ng buhay.
Hindi maintindihan. Pero, so yung tahimik. May idea?
Magiging malungkot po yun.
Good. Olive answer is correct because the life without sounds is very lifeless, boring, not enjoyable. For example, is the musical instrument. The musical instrument will become useless if it doesn't produce sounds. It's known that listening to the sounds like music is very entertaining and fun. But class, be careful because kung palagi-lagi tayong makikinig sa loud noise or sounds sa our environment or sa headset na naka-max volume, maaari itong ikapunta sa magkabingi. Tama, sabi nila Isa. Dahil patadamage yung eardrums natin sa loob, which makakaresulta sa pagkabingi. With that said, be careful in your ears and be cautious in listening to the sounds, okay? Ayan na.